Namaste, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I will explain you how you can approach or how you can apply for internships. We all understand internships plays a very important role in searching for jobs or building your career, the very initial point or preliminary step for your career building, right? So internship plays a very important role. Definitely internship experiences adds value to your resume and it also gives you some kind of confidence to answer or crack any interview. So watch this video completely till the end. I will explain you, I will give you 3 tips by which you can apply for internships. The very first tip is, if you are a fresher, if you are a recent graduate or a student in the 2nd or 3rd year of graduation, you can definitely use internship platforms like Internshala or Let's Intern or AngelList. There are many such kind of platforms where you can register as an intern and you can start applying for all the internship programs that these websites list in their website. Not only Internshala, not only Let's Intern, but you can also try building a very good network in LinkedIn. Yes, LinkedIn is a very good networking platform. We all understand that. Start building a very strong network within HRs or company owners or startup founders, these kind of people, so that whenever they post any internship programs in their profile, you will get a direct update. In the opposite way also, if you post something in your profile like I'm looking for internship, I'm ready to work for a project for 3 months, 2 months, I'm looking for internship in this so and so domain, e-commerce or machine learning, IoT, these kind of things, all the people in your network will get updated, and in that way you may land into an internship program. So this is the first tip, first way how you can get an internship program. The second way is cold emails. What are cold emails? In cold email, what you do is, suppose you are you want to build your career in artificial intelligence, AI. Now go to Google and start typing AI companies in your city. Let us take an example, artificial intelligence or AI companies in Bangalore. You will definitely come across many websites in the first page of Google, right? Now go to their website, go to the contact us page and check the email ID there. Most probably you will get a sales email, info email, sometimes the owner of the company's email or the HR email. Take those email and start sending emails to them. A very professional email, a very formal kind of email you have to write. You have to ask them, you have to request them that I have this skill or I have learned this skill and I am looking for an internship opportunity in your company. If you find or if you consider my profile, then please let me know. You have to attach your updated resume also along with the email and send the email to these company owners or the HR managers, HR people, HR team from that company. Don't mask email or bulk email. No, that will not work. To each and every individual, you have to send these kind of email. So that is called cold email. In cold email, what happens is you are sending email to random person that you don't know. If they have any requirement also, you are not aware of that. So you are sending emails to them. That is how cold emails work. This is the second way, second tip how you can apply for internship programs. The third tip is check your near and dear ones. I mean to say, check your friends, family members, your college seniors or super seniors. Speak to them, ask them if they are working in some company, your desired career company, some company you want to get job in that. So start speaking to your cousins, super seniors and ask them if that company has any internship program. So through referrals also, you may land into an internship program. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you feel this video has added some value to you, then please like. If you have any questions, you can comment down. And thank you so much. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my English YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. I also have a Telugu channel called Pashams where I share the same information in Telugu language. You can also subscribe to my Telugu channel Pashams. Thank you so much. Namaste.